What's up, guys? This video is going to be important like the other ones. We're going to cover liquidation heat map and what are the possibilities that you guys know that usually in leverage trading or options trading or whatever you call it, for leverage trading, you guys know that a lot of people get liquidated because that's how it is. The casino, you go to casino and you will most likely lose your money. Okay, this is exactly the same thing for crypto online, right? So we're going to talk about that. We're going to also cover technical analysis for BTC, and I'm going to update you guys more with the possibilities that Bitcoin is going to probably go lower soon, and we're going to confirm that with USDT. I'm going to still give you another bearish scenario, but a lot of you guys do not like me when I'm talking about bearish scenario, but I want you to know that Bitcoin, when it goes higher, everybody is happy, everybody is making money. Not everybody, most of people, depending on what you're holding, you are making money. But when it goes lower, I have to warn you guys, I have to be alerted and let you know about that, because I do not want you to lose money. That's why a lot of people think that I'm mostly bearish. But I need you to know that I care enough to let you know about the warnings that I can see in the charts. Okay, so we're gonna also cover all these altcoins. So if you guys are interested in any of them, make sure to watch the whole thing. You all should watch the whole thing because these are all important stuff. I have been showing you exactly the direction of the market every single time. I put 3 videos out for you guys to let you know that there's a good chance that we're gonna go back down while your favorite YouTuber was telling you too long and we're gonna go to 70,000 next and all that, all this talking, okay? But these are technical, these are unbiased. I'm still on 90% altcoin holdings that I have, and I am 10% cash. I'm just messing around with some trading sometimes just to learn and master this even more, and we are all in this together, strong. I know some of you guys comment and you're sad that you just keep losing and you've been lying from 2021, 2022, but your money has not gone anywhere. I know this is the crypto, this is the game we are in all together. But if you guys stay with me, all this crypto cycle, in this Bitcoin cycle, I will let you know when I'm getting out, because every time, and I have to let you know again, for new subscribers that are watching right now, welcome, and make sure that you are subscribed, because we are talking about facts and important stuff. I covered the last bull run about how USDT moved and how we got topped again for BTC and altcoins, and we started going higher for USDT, and that was the start of the crash around this time. Okay, so again, I am still giving you guys another bearish scenario that we can still go for higher high for USDT, and I can give you some examples in a smaller time frame. This is daily chart for USDT. I am still leaving this white line here, but there is a good chance that we can go back up, and then once we get to this area, that will be the start of our bull run. Okay, but it does not have to go that far. I have to let you guys know about that too. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to give you another scenario, but as so far I have called this that we are getting a support. I'm not expecting USD to just keep crashing. That was going to be very stupid to honestly to just keep going lower for the USDT, and BTC keeps going higher. And honestly, once we would have got to $74,000, we would have got back down, not that, maybe to $80,000. We would have already reached this line, and that would be our end of the bull market, and we were gonna probably go back up and hit one more time and start going higher, and that would be our bear market that would start. I called the 73,000. I still gave it another chance that we might go back up down to hit this, and we might have got to 75 to 77k, but we didn't. But I still let you guys know that we are around this red line and this white line, and there's a good chance that we're gonna crash. And since then, we haven't gone back up to that level, which is $74,000. Now, because I said that there's a good chance that we're gonna go back up and not straight down, we do not know how high we can go for USDT. That's why, but I still give it a chance for the last shakeout, because When I look at this chart, guys, I'm going to put both of them in 24 hours. If we look at some of them, these are the longs and shorts ratio in general. You guys see that we are having very neutral shorts and buys, shorts and longs for Bitcoin in this market, because people do not know where the direction of the market is. But because a lot of people are expecting the bull run to start anytime soon, I am still expecting the last shakeout before going back up for Bitcoin. Okay, so this last shakeout can be extreme enough and can be significant enough for a lot of people to completely lose hope and sell their Bitcoin, sell their altcoins to the people who are going to buy around this area, and we're going to start rallying. So it's still, I'm telling you, none of these are financial advice. Do your own research, but I am not telling you that it's gonna 100% happen. We're just giving scenarios. I gave you a very good chance that we're gonna go back down from this area. I call this a 2. Both of these calls were almost perfect to the point. I'm gonna give you this, I gave you this 49,000 where I said that we're gonna go back down probably to this circle. This red candle is gonna push the price higher. So if you bought it, congratulations, you're on a lot of profits already for Bitcoin, although we have gone back down. But again, when you look at USDT, guys, I'm seeing a really good support for USDT. Okay, although this red line is showing a very bearish look for USDT, but that does not mean that we can get that support, close this as just like this, just a sideways type of candle, and you guys can probably see that we're gonna start another green candle for tomorrow, which is going to open in almost 7 hours. So we can go still back up to reach this top of this wave. Okay, and I still called it because in 4-hour chart it shows that we had this wave. I still left the circle here, so we got that rejection exactly around that. Now we are getting a good support, and guys, I want you guys to pay attention. Once we go above this wave, make a higher high and close our daily, for a 4-hour candle, we're gonna probably go back down to retouch it and start going higher. So I'm gonna show you guys with a path to make it more clear for you. So if you go up, and we're gonna close this candle in 3 hours, then open another one, do a pullback. You can go back down to this level to retouch this yellow level of support and start going higher. Okay, this is a scenario. I'm going to give it a little bit of chance of going back down again. So this is a good possibility, guys, to go back up to this level of resistance, where I have left these 2 lines, because I think that there's a good chance that because we have rejected a couple of times, I'm going to make a copy and paste. You guys see that these 2 levels are around the same area, and we had another one long time ago. So this level of resistance can be a good level to long Bitcoin again. When we get to this area, guys, to almost 6%, okay, if you want to look at Fibonacci retracement for USDT, that would give us, let's see what level it would be. So if we go from that top to this low, I'm gonna show you guys the labels. Let me just get rid of these so we can see the lines more clear. So you guys see that 0.5, we stopped around 4.5 exactly, like almost exactly. And we got that rejection. We have gone below this. That can be a possibility, guys. Let me tell you that if we do not push above almost 5.71%, we might go for lower. Go back down to this level. So that is a possibility too. So Bitcoin can get still bullish, and we go back down to this level, to top of this wave that we had, this base rally that we had. We can see that we can go back down and then go for higher high. This is a possibility too. I have to let you guys know about this, because we cannot be 100% in market, but there's a very good chance that we can go back down, get that support for USDT, and BTC can go honestly higher to almost maybe $63,000, $64,000, and that's gonna bring back down even a little bit higher, maybe to maybe around this area where we got rejected around $65,000, and then start going lower. So that this can be a possibility too. Okay, so if you guys are shorting, please make sure that you are managing your money. You are making sure you're not going crazy on your X's. You're not going on 20-30x of shorting. So this is what I'm looking at. So this can be a possibility, but so far I'm seeing a good rejection point for BTC, and I can tell you that this 4-hour chart, although we have not exactly touched this closed candle, this red candle, we get rid of this to make it more clear. Okay, this red candle that closed, we have not exactly touched it, so we have still a little bit of space to get to that area, which we can get support from lower, go touch that, and then go lower. That is a possibility too, because 4-hour chart is strong enough and we can rely on it more than 1-hour chart. Okay, so 1-hour chart is showing still a good rejection point for Bitcoin. Let me see. So you guys see that I posted in Telegram group. You might want to join that free Telegram group. You guys see that this green candle is a good rejection point for BTC. Okay, that's why I'm saying that, you guys. There was a small gap in here and it got filled. You guys see that every time, I'm still repeating, we see a bunch of same color for candle. Doesn't matter if it's going up or lower. When we see a different color, which is this green candle in this case, red, 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 and then green, and then red, 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 you guys see that price can go back up and get rejected and start going lower. So far I have nailed that a 2. Okay, and if we go further, the reason we are keep getting support is because of this area, because we have already broken above. So every time it hits back down, it gets support and it starts going higher. So there's a good chance that we go back up to 62,600 to get that. I just showed you in 4-hour chart, we can hit that closed candle and gets rejected, where we're gonna see a lot of rejection point because we had a lot of support, and every time we hit this line we kept going higher, and you guys see how much we went higher. So if we consider how many percent we can go down if we hit from the bottom, let's just consider this one. This one is 3.46%, almost $2,000, right? So if I want to do the same thing, consider that we're going to go back down almost 3%. That will take us back to 60,500-ish. Then we need to see if we're going to get another support and go for a higher high, or we're just going to keep going down. That's when, as I said, and you need to subscribe. We're talking about facts in here. But again, we have seen that a lot of rejection before, and every time we had huge pullbacks to that line, and we are meeting that line for the first time after breaking below again. So there's a good chance we just go sideways for a couple, one or 2 days, and start going lower. So that's why I made this chart that we can, this Bitcoin's chart in daily chart can look like something like this. Okay, so it went to, okay, so we can close this candle as a neutral candle, just a little bit of reddish candle, and or even a little bit green, and start going lower to this area. The level of support I'm looking at is, as I said, $58,000 to $59,000, where there's a good chance that we go higher to meet this area of resistance, which is going to be almost 6% where we had a couple of rejections before. Okay, so this looks like a very legit Fibonacci retracement line, because every time we see we got support around this area, we went higher, we got rejection, rejection. So these lines are very looking nice in here. But that's why the reason I'm still giving a little bit of bullishness for Bitcoin short term is because of this Fibonacci that we have closed below. So we can still go lower, get a little bit of more support, and start going higher. Let's look at Ethereum now. Okay, Ethereum is showing weakness as well. So BTC had actually pushed above this 4-hour candle, red candle, in its own chart that I had showed you before. But Ethereum is being traded under it, and there is a green candle and red candle. This area is a hellish area for Ethereum. I have to say that, okay? Because as I said, we got this rejection before, and if we keep going now, we keep going to the left side, we're going to see a lot of rejection points as well, and we are now touching it from the bottom, okay? And so this green and red candle, this red candle and green candle that I just showed you in 4-hour chart is a very good short point for Ethereum. And so Ethereum is a little bit in trouble. Okay, and we're gonna go to daily so we can go back up, get that rejection again, get stuck in here and go for lower low. That's gonna be almost $2,200, $2,300. But let's go to daily. I'm gonna have more clue if I look at it. Unfortunately, Ethereum is in so much trouble. We have a really good support for Ethereum because this level of support has been a good area for every time we have that hits. Okay, even go a little bit lower, we have this good level of support because we are on top of it. We had a little bit of sideways, we started going higher, and every time we keep hitting it. So we can still get good support as long as BTC is not going lower. If it go lower, guys, we're gonna go back down to this area. That's gonna be 1500, 1600 for Ethereum. That's gonna be very bearish. If I want to make a line here for Ethereum, this line has been a good level of support too. But you know that more we hit to the same line, there's a good chance that we'll break it. But again, there is a good chance still that we get support. So Ethereum can still be a good buying opportunity for you guys. As I said, I'm not telling you to buy anything, but there's a good chance if we go lower for BTC, we can still go back down to $2,000, get support and start going higher. This is a good possibility as well. Okay, so we don't have to go that high. There you go. So this doesn't look that weird to happen. Okay, so it all depends on BTC. Honestly, I cannot really give you exactly certainty as much as I can give you with Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is always full of surprises too, but we can see with USDT how we can get those confirmations and be more confident on our moves. Okay, so now let's look at Myria. And I think that's the dog coin. All right, this coin is looking on a good support. Let's just make our lines first to see where we have our rejections and supports area. So Myria is a good point of buying if BTC stops messing around. And by the way, please give this video a thumbs up. And it's so fun when I do this, it looks different. Look at my background when I do this, it's so fun. We can go back down to this level, almost 0.0024 Myria, to get that support and start going higher. It's a good level of support. So we can get a good return for Myria if it goes back to 2 cents, almost 10x for less than 10x of your money. Okay, so almost maybe 8x. If that makes you happy, that's a good buying opportunity. But if we break that, guys, lower than that, I do not see that much of support, and we're gonna probably go back down. It's gonna be huge crash for this coin, right? But that's why I need to see that how BTC is doing, so I can be more certain on telling you guys about these coins. Okay, once we get bullish, I can tell you exactly that where are the good buying opportunities. That's what I've been telling my members about. That I have not posted any members video for a while because I'm waiting for the right moment to give you guys exactly where we are going. And more gems are to come. I have been collecting and I have been looking at a lot of coins. I'm gonna give you guys good exchange, decentralized exchange coins for some of the new blockchains, and those are good buying opportunities. They can grow a lot, like PancakeSwap, like SushiSwap and Uniswap, and even decentralized exchanges for Solana that have been going higher. I'm not gonna call what they are, but there are good buying opportunities. So let's look at LUNC, Terra Luna, the dramatic coin. So this coin is almost back to its lowest point. As you guys see, many times I warned a lot of you guys when Bitcoin was around $70,000 I hope that a lot of the haters that were hating me back then are still watching my video. It's okay to come back in comments, it's fine, okay? I'm not keeping grudge from anybody, it's just your opinion. But when we were on here, every pullback, a lot of people were telling you, you're a favorite YouTuber again. We're telling you, oh, this is the best buying opportunity, best buying opportunity, best buying opportunity, and you kept getting messed up with your portfolio. And again, I told you guys, I'm not really in a hurry. I am buying slowly, but I'm not going crazy. And you guys see your favorite altcoins, they went like such as Myria, I just showed you guys, that coin went higher but went back down 10 times lower. Okay, so if you bought it up there, considering that BTC is almost going higher, you know what happened. Okay, so back to Luncy, same idea, guys, same idea. That's why I haven't really been that much covering our altcoins, because they are almost moving the same because of BTC. We can go back down. There's a good levels of support around, let's see, this level is still a good level of support for Luna. So Lucy can go back down, get that support, and go higher. The next one would be almost 4 zeros and 7.5 before even go that low. Okay, so we can still go get that support because we have the rally base rally. Around this level is a good level of support, almost this area. Okay, so they are good. They are almost bottoming, the altcoins. And you guys know that I'm not going to show the BTC dominance. It is almost going to be topped out soon. So that's why once we get topped out, a lot of altcoins are going to be the best time to be bought. Okay, we're going to go to Wolf, Land Wolf. Land Wolf is on almost 65 million market cap, which is big enough. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy any of these coins that I'm really showing you guys. Okay, Wolf is having a lot of resistance levels, clearly showing us that this level is a good resistance level. I'm gonna copy and paste this line exactly when I want on top of it. This is the next level of resistance, but I'm gonna show you the support level. The support level is obviously around this level. Okay, so if we go back down another leg, which I'm still expecting for BTC, go for 1, 2, 3 line down, there's a good chance that all these altcoins can go back down to their lowest support level. If I want to show you with the price line, this would be the possibility for this coin to go back down. Okay, so far it's the same deal. We can get it still stay around here, but as I said, if BTC goes down, they're gonna go down too. Okay. So next one is Superverse. I hope this is the coin. I assume it is because it's on Coinbase. Wow, it looks like a good coin, honestly, but it has gone and it is on its resistance level. Look at that, beautiful. Look at how many touches we had. 1, 2, 3 waves, 4 waves, and we have closed bearish candles. And there's a good possibility that we either go a little bit higher and go back down. So the next level of support I'm looking at is, because we hit this line many times, this would be my next level of support. I mean, if you ask why, is because of this green candle and these sideways. So this daily candle is a good level of support. We can go back down. If BTC goes down, it can be back down to 84 cents, almost 20% retracement, and that will be a good support level. The best support I can tell you would be this support, because we had this green candle, top of this wave, and bottom of these waves. So this level would be the best buying area if I would want to buy this. And you guys see that if we continue, this level is a hell of a good support. Okay. Top of this wave, 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 this green candle, and the bottom of this wave, and bottom of these 2 waves. So it can be a really good buying opportunity around 77 cents. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I made it a long video, but I'm not going to cover that many altcoins in each video because it's going to get too long. but I want you guys to know that you guys can still comment down below what you want me to cover next. Thank you guys for watching. Please give that thumbs up again. That is going to help my channel a lot. And we're going to see what is going to happen is still join my Telegram group. I will let you guys know anytime I see a good possibility for BTC if I am available. I might be doing my own personal stuff this weekend and we're gonna be busy probably, but I will still let you guys know if I see that confirmation is still there for me, that we can go back down to $59,000. But let's see what's gonna happen in the next couple of days, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.